Firstly, let me introduce myself. I am Hadiman Yassar from Badwantrao Jili Jeshpur. I am here to teach you unit number 2, part number 4 from 9th standard textbook. Now, open your page number 50. The name of the poem is Please Listen. Please listen, it means you can look at this blackboard. What is the difference between hear and listen? Here it means give, not to give full attention. Here it means not to give full attention. But listen, it means that give fully attention to the chapter. Give fully attention to the chapter. It means hear and listen. Now, everyone lesson and everyone poem is continuing, warming up as well as chit-chat. Now, warming up it means that practice. Warming up it means that preparation. Now, everyone lesson and poem is also continuing chit-chat. Chit-chat it means you can discuss with each other in English in the class. It means that you chat with your friends, your relatives, your groups, as well as classmate, as well as roommate, as well as benchmate. The only rule is that you can chat with in English. It means that you can improve your speaking skill as well as oral skill. Chit-chat it means that chit-chat section is contains some different kinds of small questions. With these questions you can discuss with each other. You can look in your book, page number 50, chit-chat section. Question number first. What makes you laugh? Any funny scene makes me laugh. Question number second, what makes you angry? Repeated advice makes me angry. What makes you sad? A quarrel with my best friend makes me sad. And what makes you happy? Anything pleasant makes me happy. Now, page number 51. The name of the poem is Please Listen. Now, in this poem, the name of the poem is Please Listen. This poem is written by an unknown poet. The speaker of the poem just wants to be heard. In this poem, the poet is advising us to listen, not to open our mouths. It means that I want neither your explanation nor your help. In this poem, the speaker of the poem is teenager. Now, teenager it means what? Teen age it means what? Who can tell me? What is the meaning of the word teenager in Marathi or in English? Teenager it means what? Teen age it means what? The students between age of 13 to 19 are called teenager. The students between age 13 to 19 is called teenager. In this poem, the speaker of the poem is teenager. Now he is talking to all human beings like parents, relatives, elders or adults. In this poem, the speaker of the poem said that God is an ideal listener. God is an ideal listener. Why? It means that God neither speaks nor gives advice. God just listens and solves the problems. God is mute, it means God is silent. God doesn't give advice. God just listens to your prayer. Because of that reason, the speaker can say to the God is an ideal listener. Now, one more thing is that God has given us the brain and the mind to think. God has given us the brain and the mind to think. Now, one more question is around here. What is the difference between brain and mind? What is the difference between brain and mind? Who can tell me? Not actually in Marathi. You can tell in English. What is the difference between brain and mind? Brain, it means part of the body. Brain, it means part of the body. And mind, it means branch of the brain. The poet tells us that advice is cheap and freely available. The poet tells us that advice is cheap and free available because many people always ready to give advice without asking them any advice. In this poem, the speaker does not want your answers as well as advice as well as unwanted advice. It means he finds out his own solution. So, I like this poem because it is very down to earth. It is very down to earth as well as the poem is not actually contained with rhyming schema and rhyming words. It means that in this poem, the message is loud and clear. In this poem, the message is loud and clear. We must not throw our advice at people. We must not throw our advice to people. Thanks a lot for listening to me patiently and attentively. Now the poem is completed.